Nice job, bud. Oh! And there's T. Roney. Uh-oh. Daddy's going backwards on skates. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've done this. Whoa. Whoa! I almost fell too. Should we go help Kemper? Careful. Nice job, buddy. Whoa! Atta boy. What happens when you fall down? What do? Just get back up and keep trying. That's right. Just, you gotta take turns. Hey, T, just let him use it right now. He needs help. Just let him do it. Huh? Whoa! You're doing very good. You're doing very good on your own.